But let me show you.
Show me.
Let me show you the lies. Shall I show you?
Show me if you want by.
For example,
I can give you.
for example,
I can give you facts.
Mirza
I can give you
said,
truth what he said.
no problem. Mirza said the Prophet Muhammad, he said that there will be a prophet from India, black skinned. His name will be Kanahaiya. Where did the Prophet say this?
So what we know is that
This is a lie.
Jesus, the first Jesus, he died in India,
Yeah.
and his name was he had a name of Krishna.
There is a mic on my glasses as well. Okay.
But Jesus did die in India. He died in Kashmir. He died in Srinagar.
Yeah, I'm talking about
his grave is
apples.
there.
I'm talking about apples and you're discussing pears. Come back to my question. Mirza said, the Prophet Muhammad said that there is an Indian prophet, black skinned. His name is Kanahaiya. My question to you and all the Qadiani fraternity around the world is, where is this hadith? And you know about Razi, what Razi did, right? He added the words Qala Nabiyun before the statement as well, which Mirza didn't. Yeah, Mirza said it in Urdu. But Razi went as far as to add the words in Arabic. Qala Nabiyun. One of the Murabbis. Mirza did not do that. The Prophet didn't do that. He was saying in Urdu that Hazrat Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam ne farmaya. In other words, the Prophet said such and such. The Murabbi added the words Qala Nabiyun in Arabic.
You're making up things.
It's online. Everyone's seen it.
You're making up stuff.
Look, I'm the
Muhammad said there will be a Messiah that will come after me, and when he comes, he will be the Persian descent. He had his hand on Imam Farsi, and he said, when the Messiah comes, he will be among the people of Imam Farsi.
Now you're behaving like a robot.
So
because you've memorized these
We
things.
find that Hazrat Mirza Ghulam Muhammad was from a Persian descent, because his father was Persian.
Why? Okay.
Because his father was Persian, that means.
Even if he was,
Also, we find
I'm gonna
Hazrat
say,
Mirza Ghulam Muhammad is the only one that claims to be the
even
Messiah.
if he was born inside the Kaaba, he's still a liar.
No, but he was born in east of Damascus as well.
He is not better than Abu Lahab and Abu Jahl. They were Qurayshis. They were Qurashi.
East of Damascus. As Mirza Ghulam Muhammad was born
Mirza, even if he was Persian, he was still a liar.
near a white mineral.
To me, whether he's Persian, whether he
you look
was
on the
Indian or whether he was Central Asian, it makes no difference to me.
Okay, if you want to
Still
know,
a liar.
if you want to know
My
if he's a
question
liar,
is,
bro,
where is that
Why do
hadith?
you not check the map and find that east of Damascus is straight line from east of Damascus to Qadian?
East of Damascus goes all the way to China.
Straight
Why
through.
stop at Qadian?
Because that's
No,
where.
east of Damascus
have to
goes
stop
all the
somewhere.
way to China.
But you can stop
And China Sea. We can go inside the sea as well and dive inside and try to find another prophet there. Okay, look, brother, look, my question is, if I can show you he's a liar, all of these things you're saying, east of Damascus, Persia, this and that, it makes no difference. I'm asking, where is that hadith?
There is
and
the
you're-
pieces there. I'm not,
Show me. I'll wait.
No, I'm not
I'll wait.
proof to
This is going to be watched by thousands of people.
Yeah, they can do their own research.
Okay, everyone, find the hadith. Mirza, their prophet claimed that Prophet Muhammad said, there is a prophet from India who is black skinned and his name is Kanahaiya, which is Christian, an Indian Hindu deity, right? We don't even know if that person existed. It's Indian Hindu mythology. We have no evidence of such a person. But Mirza claimed that Prophet Muhammad mentioned him in a hadith by name and said that he was a prophet. Now, we want to see that hadith. Is that a fair question?
Muhammad is a prophet.
Is that a fair question? We want to see that hadith. We want.
Sunnis believe that when the Messiah comes, he will be a prophet. As Muhammad ﷺ said, there is no prophet between me and the Messiah.
You understand English, right?
No, because
You
believe that the Messiah
why
will
you
come
why
as a
you
prophet.
grinning? Why are you grinning?
I'm not grinning, you're making up stuff.
Does he have a grin on his
making up
face?
stuff.
Does he have a grin on his face? Okay. My question, where is that hadith? I'm asking all the Qadianis in the world.
I told you where it is. Do your research and you'll find it.
Where is that hadith?
It's at least there.
I've been looking for the last 7-8 months. I've been asking all the Qadianis of the world, in Canada, in Britain, in America, okay, those who are relatively more educated, I'm asking all of them, where is this hadith? Mirza, your prophet claimed that prophet said this. Where? Where? And people who are more learned, don't look, man. They've been looking for the last 7 months. Stop wasting your time and everyone else's time. He's pretending now he's going to do some research and pull something out. Okay, they couldn't pull out for the last 7 months. We've been taunting them for the last 7 months. Where is the hadith? This is one of the lies, by the way. We have a long list of Mirza's lies. Mirza was one of the Hatun's clone is back. Okay. Right? So,
Okay, so Sahih Muslim,
say Muslim.
كتاب الفتانة وعشرة الصحاح.
What language is that?
Hadith 2837.
No. What you just said there.
Okay,
What
say-
language was that?
Sahih Muslim, Hadith 2837.
What does it say? Read. In English. Don't worry about Arabic. Don't try.
The Holy Prophet, peace and blessing of Allah be upon him, said, Allah will send Jesus, son of Mary, and he will descend near the white mineral
Was that my question?
east of Damascus.
Was that my question? He's showing me that east of Damascus and Persia and this and that, all of those things. I'm asking him, all of these things are irrelevant if Mirza was a liar. If Mirza was a liar, all of these things are irrelevant.
He's a liar.
And okay, fine.
You're lying.
Okay, show me. I want to know. Show me that hadith where the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that there will be a prophet from India, black-skinned, and his name will be Kahin. In other words, Kanhaiya or Christian. Show me that hadith.
As the Mirza Ghulam Ahmad said, the tomb of Jesus. The tomb of Jesus is in India.
I want everyone to know this. Look, these people are brainwashed. They cannot reason with you. They're not trained to reason. They're not taught to reason, and they're not conditioned to listen to reason. I'm trying to reason with him. He's a perfectly good-looking guy.
Who's Krishna Kanhaiya?
Looks intelligent as well. Yeah,
Who is Krishna Kanhaiya? Who's Krishna Kanhaiya?
I don't know. I don't believe in.
You don't know who Krishna
That's
Kanhaiya is?
irrelevant. Who the person is irrelevant. Show me the hadith. Your prophet claimed that the Prophet Muhammad said this.
Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said what?
Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam.
Yeah.
That I've been saying it for the last 10 minutes, right? I'm going to repeat it
No,
for you.
because you say
He
Krishna
said,
Kanhaiya. Who's Krishna Kanhaiya?
Mirza claimed that Prophet Muhammad said that there is a prophet from India, okay, black-skinned. His name is Kahin. And then Mirza explains Kanhaiya, Christian. Where is that hadith?
Yeah, Krishna.
Okay, Krishna, fine. Where is that hadith?
Okay.
Where is that hadith?
So let me tell you.
Yeah.
The fourth Khalifa, Hazrat Mirza Tahir Ahmad, when he was asked regarding who Krishna Kanhaiya is, he answered saying that Krishna Kanhaiya was a prophet.
I am Mirza Tahir. You're talking about Mirza Tahir, yeah? Mirza Tahir was not Muhammad Rasulullah.
No, but he's a
I'm
full
asking
Khalifa.
where did Muhammad Rasulullah say this? I'm not asking where Mirza Tahir said it or what he said. I'm not. If Mirza Qadiani, Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani is a liar, who the hell is Mirza Tahir? Who the hell is he? He is more of a liar,
Making up stuff.
following a liar. I'm asking you, Mirza, your prophet
I
claimed.
am telling you, Krishna Kanhaiya was a prophet.
Okay, you're telling me that. Fine,
This is why
fine.
the Hindus have
That's
treated him as God.
that's your opinion. I respect your
No,
opinion.
it's not opinion,
Listen,
it's truth.
Okay, truth, no problem. Show me where our prophet, our beloved prophet Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that.
Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam did not say it, but we find
You just made Mirza a liar there
how.
because you just Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam didn't say it.
I don't know
But
if he
Mirza,
did.
no.
I don't know if Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said it.
If the prophet didn't say it, then Mirza's a liar. That's my point.
I don't know if
So,
Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi
Assalamu alaikum. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah.
I know.
Come right now.
I don't know if Muhammad
Take
Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said
the
it or not.
shahada. You just said Mirza is a liar.
No, it isn't. No,
Okay, but you said the prophet didn't say it.
I don't know if he did or not, but we find that he's
But
Krishna.
Mirza, your prophet is claiming he did.
Where?
You don't know
You
don't know
me.
the reference.
Show me.
Okay, good. I'm gonna show him the reference. To be fair, if I show you the reference in black and white,
Is it English?
Urdu and English, okay, in black and white, if I show it to you, and then if it's not there in the hadith literature, the entire hadith literature, if it's not there, then Mirza is a liar.
No, let me tell you.
Yes or no? Yeah.
If Hazrat
You'll
Mirza-
take your shahada.
if
फिर आज कलमा पढ़ोगे?
If Hazrat Mirza Ghulam Ahmad did say it, then that means that there is a hadith that does say that.
Okay, good.
But-
Fine.
but
But
if
but
you- yeah,
but
go on,
but
go
but
on,
what?
go on.
But I'm saying, look, मेरा claim सुन लो ना. I'm saying,
But Hazrat Mirza Ghulam
I am
Ahmad
saying,
is not a
if
liar,
you
bro.
can find
You're a
that
liar.
statement attributed to the Prophet in Sahih Hadith, in Hasan, in Da'if, in Mawdu. Mawdu. Mawdu is lies, fabrications. Even find me a fabrication from any Islamic literature, okay, where an attribution is made to the Prophet Muhammad, claiming that he said there is an Indian prophet, black-skinned, his name is Kahin, Kanhaiya or Christian. This is an Indian propaganda. This is an Indian propaganda, right? This is someone who's trying to make an Indian god, Indian deity a prophet. Okay, this is not an Arabian prophet speaking. This is an Indian prophet speaking, which is what he was, a false, a lying prophet. So if you cannot find such a report attributed to the prophet, then Mirza is a liar. Do you accept that?
Mirza Ghulam Ahmad is not a liar.
Yaar, follow my logic. Follow my logic.
As well.
If we cannot find that report anywhere in the world attributed to the prophet in any book of Islam or Muslims, even fabrications, then Mirza is a liar, right?
There is nowhere that we can find that Jesus has not died and he went up.
Clearly, this one is not working. This one is not working.
So that means you're a liar.
Next question. Next question. Mirza claimed the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, when there is a plague in the town, leave the town. Leave the town. And amazingly, what the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam actually said was, when there's a plague, do not leave the town. Do not leave the town. We have authentic reports from the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam where the Prophet said, when there's a plague, do not leave the town, or if you're outside, do not come into the town. So if you're inside the town, don't leave. If you're outside, don't come in. Mirza, their prophet, claimed that Prophet Muhammad said, when there's a plague, leave the town. And he attributed this to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Now, if that hadith does not exist, if that report does not exist, Mirza is a liar. Mirza is a liar. Okay? But how do we reason to these people? How do we reason with them? How do we reason with them? What do? We have people who exist.
Bring back Jesus alive.
I don't have to do nothing. All I have to show is, okay, all of these, Jesus coming back alive, or Jesus dying, or Jesus dying in Kashmir and being buried in Kashmir at 120, all of this bakwas, okay, all of this bakwas is because Mirza wrote this. But if I show Mirza is a liar, all of this is gone. All of this is irrelevant. Then all the calculations, all the books, all the shaitani khazain or ruhani khazain, call them what you like, okay, they are wasted because Mirza is a liar.
Prove the basics. Prove that Jesus did not die and he went up
I don't
alive.
have to. If I show you Mirza is a liar, it's over.
No, but you can't prove that Jesus went up alive.
Yaar, meri baat suno. Come,
It's been a year, you still can't prove that Jesus went up alive.
Yeah. I'm trying to understand how your mind functions and works. I'm sincerely very curious. And I think scientists should do experiments on some of the minds of some Qadianis. I'm not saying all, some Qadianis, right? Because they are seriously blocked. Information doesn't go through. Questions do not penetrate the mind. So this is a phenomenon that psychologists, psychiatrists, and psychotherapists, they should study this phenomenon. What is this phenomenon? I want them to study that when you ask a question, they simply cannot register the question. It's not going through. I'm going to ask again. If I show you that Mirza was a liar, will you still believe in him?
I told you Mirza Ghulam Ahmad is not a liar. You're a liar.
Fine, I got that. But I'm showing you that he claimed things that don't exist.
You're making up stuff.
Yeah, I'm not making up stuff. Did you all get my questions? Did you all understand my questions? Yes?
At the
Okay.
time of
Okay.
Mirza Ghulam Ahmad, there was a sign. There was a sign of the plague.
You're
When the
brainwashed.
the plague
You're
came-
talking like these Christian missionaries,
When the plague
brainwashed.
came,
Okay.
When the plague came, as Mirza Ghulam Ahmad said, the only people that will be saved are the people that follow him. And this came to be true.
Yaar, if I show
No
you,
one died.
Mirza made statements that
No,
we cannot.
everything
Mirza
died.
made statements we cannot find. Mirza made statements we cannot find. What do we do with them? My beloved brother,
thing is,
I care about you. I care about you. I don't want you to go to hellfire. I'm trying to save you. So ask me this question. Okay, I have nothing. I'm not trying to mock you or degrade you or humiliate you. I'm simply trying to show the world and other Ahmadis and Qadianis out there that this is the kind of stuff we're dealing with. that if Mirza has made statements and we cannot find them anywhere, and he made attributions by naming people, he said, the Prophet said this, we are asking where? Show us where he said this. And there is, this information is non-existent. If it's non-existent, that means Mirza is making this up. He's making this up.
All the questions that he has asked, we have showed him, and what does he do? He does not listen to them.
Mirza also said Qadian is mentioned in the Quran.
He's deceiving people.
The city of Qadian is mentioned in the Quran. And even the Arabic words, Inna anzalnahu, Inna anzalnahu qariban min al-Qadian. Wallahi, I'm not making this up. Aapko pata? Inna anzalnahu, and they say it was a kashf, it was a vision. Okay, no problem. If it's a vision, we are happy to accept that. But even in a vision to a prophet, Mirza is a prophet, right? To them he's a prophet. So a prophet's vision is revelation. A prophet's vision is revelation from Allah. So here in a vision, Allah is revealing a verse that's not in the Quran. So Allah is adding to the Quran through a vision. And what is that? What is that revelation? Inna anzalnahu qariban min al-Qadian. Wallahi, I'm not making this up. Wallahi, I'm not making this up. All the references are in the stream we did last night.
The Quranic translation.
Inna anzalnahu qariban min al-Qadian. Remember the verse. New ayah. Ek nayi ayat aayi hai Quran mein. A'udhu billah thumma a'udhu billah. This is from Mirza.
Wow.
Mirza is a prophet who received the revelation, and in this revelation he was given a new verse, and he said, Fil haqiqat, ye ayat Quran mein hai. He said, in reality this verse is in the Quran. Inna anzalnahu qariban min al-Qadian. Everyone memorize please. Inna anzalnahu, not fi laylatil qadr. Not fi laylatil qadr. It is Inna anzalnahu qariban min al-Qadian. If Qadianis are listening right now, it's true. It's true.
He's deceiving.
Did he say
Acha.
what? Is it
He's
true?
deceiving you.
Did he say
What he's doing is deceiving
Did
you.
he say-
He's lying to you, deceiving you, mocking you.
Did he say it's true or not?
He's mocking you.
Did he say
He's mocking the Quran.
That's true.
You're mocking the Quran. Look at the
I'm gonna give the
Look
reference.
at the state of the Muslim world. Look at what's going on.
He explains it like many times.
It's like this, you know, their religion is like Christianity. Paul and the worship of God. That's Christianity. And their religion is the worship of Qadiani. That's all lies. Everything is lies.
Many lies. Many amazing, incredible lies. Unbelievable lies.
Well, if somebody's listening all his lies, what are you going to do?
Don't run.
He's going to go, somebody calling him on the telephone.
The reference is, behold, Rohani Khazain, in reality Shaitani Khazain,
Yes.
Volume 3, Rohani Khazain, Volume 3, book Izalai Awham, page 140 to 141, where Mirza mentions 3 शहरों का नाम एजाज के साथ कुरान शरीफ में दर्ज है, मक्का और मदीना और कादियान. ये कश्फ था जो कई साल हुए कि मुझे दिखलाया गया. This was a vision that was given to me. And for the Arabic words, inna anzalnahu qariban min al-Qadian, same reference, same page. It's there on the same page. Okay, now I have just given the reference. All Qadianis who are sincere, all Ahmadis out there, we have sympathy for you, we have compassion for you, we have nothing but good wishes for you. Please go and research. All these things I said today, if they are true, and Mirza did indeed claim this, then leave the cult today. Don't die and go to Jahannam over Mirza. Don't die in this state, because none of your salah, none of your zakah, none of your umrah and hajj is accepted, because you believe in a kafir as a prophet. He was a disbeliever. He was a kafir. Okay?
Don't say he's a kafir, no, he's a believer.
Answer it.
Astaghfirullah, say astaghfirullah.
अब बताओ ना क्या करें?
Why are you going to say that?
अब बताओ क्या करें? What do we do now?
Because then the fitna drops back on you.
What do we do now?
You call someone kafir, it drops back on you.
Fine. But if Mirza is saying these things. What do we do now?
So Qadian is also today in today's world. It is also a holy land because that's where the Messiah is
Oh,
born.
come on!
I understand.
Where the Messiah is
I
born,
I understand.
the Mahdi.
But Mirza said these words are in the Quran. Mirza said, in my vision I've been told that these words are in the Quran. Inna anzalnahu qareeban min
Qadian is a holy land. It is part of the holy land because the Messiah, the Imam Mahdi.
All
has
Sikh
born
live
there.
there. In the morning,
If you don't accept it,
nobody, they can't hear their.
I think to conclude, I have nothing but sympathy for this young man. Hopefully he will wake up one day. He will realize that what he believes in is not true. It's a lie. And this is all we can do.
So how many pages of
All the page numbers. I have the reference.
I told him that Qadian is also part of a holy land because this is where the Messiah is born.
In India.
It could be anywhere.
Where?
East of Damascus.
Where is Qadian anyway? Where is Qadian?
East of Damascus.
Huh?
East of Damascus.
Algeria is the holy place as well, because I'm born in it.
It's on the map. Check on the map. Check on the map. Open up Google. Open up Google now and check it.
You show it. You show it.
See, you won't do it.
It's easy to prove. Why don't you do it?
The reference for the black prophet from India called Kahin Kanhaiya Krishan is Rohani Khazain, volume 23. The book is Chashma-e Marifat, page 382. मिर्जा सेड एक मर्तबा हजरत सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम से दूसरे मुल्कों के अंबिया की निस्बत सवाल किया गया तो आपने यही फरमाया कि हर एक मुल्क में खुदा ताला के नबी गुजरे हैं
Yes,
और फरमाया और फरमाया खान फिल हिंद
Yes.
नबीन अस्वदुल्लौन इस्मुहु काहिनन
Yes.
यानी हिंद में एक नबी गुजरा है
Yes, and
जो
his
स्याह
name
रंग
was
था
Krishna
और
Kanhaiya.
नाम उसका काहिन था यानी कन्हैया
And he was the
जिसको
prophet.
कृष्ण कहते हैं
Yes.
okay
Krishna
now
Kanhaiya was the prophet.
no problem, that's fine, so you can believe that. I'm asking, he said the Prophet Muhammad said this. Where?
That's fine.
Where?
If he did,
Where?
yes, he has.
Where?
He said it.
Where?
If he has said it, then he has said it.
Where?
He has said it. That's it.
So I have okay, so those Qadianis who have been listening to this, you saw a demonstration of this blindness, this blockage of mind and rationality. Please free yourselves. No, don't do that. No, this is Kishan. He pulled out a poster from an Indian movie. Okay, no, listen. I'm asking this question. If this is true, what I've said, I've given references, go and check and free yourselves from the cult. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Nice talking to you. Thank you. That's all we can do. That's all we can do. There's nothing else we can do, brother. That's all we can do. We can only show you. It's up to you to believe or believe.